All right. How are we all doing today? Today is a great day. We're taking a look at another Seiko watch, and it is a Seiko 5 watch. And by the long box, you can see it is going to be a special Naruto Boruto watch. And for me personally, this is the last of the series that I've gone over. If you wanted to see one of the other watches, I've gone over them in the weeks past. So this is watch number 7, I believe. So 7 weeks of uh, showing off these watches to you. Um, I love the box on these guys, like I explained a few times before. The box is really cool. You know, they're really trying to go for the whole feeling of this anime, Naruto and Boruto. This model here is SBSA091, and it is the character Sasuke. Yep, Sasuke is the correct name. I haven't seen the anime, so sorry if I butchered different names and stuff. And there's one of the clan symbols on the back. It's pretty cool that they kept the display back and just had it kind of like put onto the glass there. And like all the Naruto Boruto ones, they've got a NATO style strap. And the colors in the straps are just really cool, man. I kind of like them a lot. And this one, you know, you got the dark blue and the like light blue in the middle. And the dial, I mean, check out this dial. It's pretty cool. It looks like it's got some electricity running through it. And this character is an electricity-based character. Yeah, I just got confirmation there. And yes, it's an electricity character, so that's why you've got the electric marks on the dial. It looks like it's kind of been scorched by the electricity on that dial. And what I like about these watches is that they're a little beaten up looking, so they look like watches from real ninjas, real warriors, real fighters. You know, they're not super glossy and shiny, but they went crazy with the details there. You can see on the bezel, you know, they put that little blue hint on there on the side where you would grip it. Just so many cool little things with these watches that they made here. The SKX series, people mod the heck out of them, and Seiko 5s are basically SKX models. So I think they got inspiration from fans out there, from Seiko fans, modding out their watches to do whatever they wanted it to look like. And Seiko was like, yeah, you know, we could do this too. And then so they came up with this and doing different licensings with different brands. So I know some people don't like it because it's the animes or different things, but I think it's cool just to experiment and try different things, especially for a big company like Seiko, for them to do different stuff. So it is kind of neat, you know, not just going with another expensive watch. They do make a lot of the higher, well, I wouldn't say high end, but they do make a lot of watches over $1,000. So it's nice for them to keep an eye, you know, here on kind of introductory price offerings with the Seiko 5s. This watch here retails for 460. It's got the 4R36 movement in it, and my wrist is a 7.5 inch wrist, and you can see it on there. It fits great. You know, this is about the average size of a watch nowadays, I kind of feel. So even if you have a smaller wrist, um, it kind of be just a little bit bigger, and I don't think it would be overpowering it all too much. The only thing is it's a little thick, and the NATO strap pushes it up a little bit, but you know, that's only if you really like smaller watches. For me, it's fine. I like it. It's kind of an ideal size. Here we got it with the lume there. Lume's not coming out too well in this shot, but you could see it there just on the hands. Not a very great lume watch, but not all of them have to be, but you could just sit there and see by the hands what time it is. I'd like to take the time to thank you all for watching. I appreciate it very much and hope you guys like checking out the Naruto Boruto collection with us. Thank you. Have a good one.